Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, today on Cooking with Corey, a collaboration with some great channels. Hashtag Steak Like a Boss. Hashtag will be up there. Click that, get all these great channels you can follow and watch. The rules are, if you got a conventional heat source, like say a grill, which I'm going to be using today, you can't use a traditional pan. Hence the shovel. I'm going to be using a shovel today. That's what I'm going to cook on, is a shovel, and vice versa. It's going to be wonderful. A lot of great channels. Meet Cranium Barbecue and Review. We got GT over there at GT's Barbecue and Smoking Bears and plenty others. Just follow the hashtag. You can watch them all. All right, let's get this. I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to burn it off first. All right, let's get going. Let's start cooking on a shovel. All right, our ingredients for the day are pretty simple. Got us a nice, choice, boneless ribeye steak that my son cut for me. Delicious. We got some shallot garlic. We got some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. We got some oil. We got some cognac. We got some cream. Probably gonna be some rosemary. There's gonna be other stuff. We're just gonna try not to burn this up. Let's get that shovel out. Let's get it seasoned on the thing. You need to like burn some of the stuff off it. All right, let's get cooking next. All right, we got a steak here. It's a pound ribeye. Let's get it seasoned up. Heavy dose of our salt, pepper, garlic, and I mean heavy. Big steak. It can handle it. Get it on there. Flip it over. Get the other side. Like I said, don't be shy with your seasoning. Get out of the way there, fly. Get her on there good. Alright, you take it. Get sides. Like so. Alright. Alright, let's get this cook started off. We got our chimney there, full of charcoal. We got our vortex here, which we got from Lee over at Smoking Bears. He sent that to me probably a year ago, around there. So that's what we're gonna use. Let's put our coals in here, like so. Get those going around in there, and let's get that shovel on there and get it sanitized. All right, I did add some more coals to that because I thought we needed some more. And we're going to take our shovel, brand new shovel right here. It's got some powder coat or paint on it. We're just going to set it right on there. We're going to heat that up to heats that stuff will fall off, and we'll be back. What we're doing now is just getting this powder coat off or whatever was on there. So I got it over high heat. Give it a little rub with my grill brush. What I want to do is just get that down to steel, or mostly steel, and then cook on it. That's what we're doing right now. All right, time to get this cook going. Let's do it. We got our shovel here, which I put on the fire. Got most of the stuff. It is sanitized to the maximus. Put it on here. Might still be a little bit hot. We'll pull it back a little bit. A little bit of oil in there. What we're gonna do? We're gonna let that heat up just for a second. Get that over there. We'll be back. We'll throw that steak on there when it gets hot. All right, here we go. We got our shovel. We got some oil on there. Let's get our steak going. Our delicious UDSA choice steak. Look at that, looking good. Put oil down to the bottom of the pan. Get our steak on there. And just start searing our steak. Well, haven't started the fire yet, so we'll keep going. Our steak is looking good. Been on there probably 3-4 minutes, so let's see what we got here. You guys excited? I know I'm excited and a little scared, to be honest with you. Hopefully this thing doesn't fall down on me, but we're gonna see how we are. Look at that. We're getting there. Let's put her back on there. Use a little bit. Let's throw a little rosemary back in there and clove garlic. A little flavor, and we'll give it a little bit more. Some good old oil. All right. Hey, we're cooking a steak on a shovel. So we roll around here. Wait, there's the flavor. We'll come back. All right, I think it's high time we flip this bad boy. We got our garlic down there. Pull that back out. That's old Jim burn right there. Let's see what we got here. So, we got a nice crust here. Look at that. Beautiful looking crust on that steak. Beautiful. All right. Get her back down here. Get her oil back down there in the bottom. Here on the other side. Time to make a sauce then. Alright, here's the steak. Looks good. I think we need to pull him. Feeling good. Feel like a nice mid-rare right there. Let's take this bad boy off. Look at him. Oh yeah. Put him over there on the board. He's gonna chill out and relax and chill. Now we're gonna make a sauce. And how we're gonna start that sauce is we're gonna take this shovel. You know, our shovel, we got our shovel. We need to get rid of that oil. We need some water. Boil off our... I would not usually do that, but... Alright, throw that away. Plain simple as that. Flip that over, dry that off. Dry that off a little quick. Then we're going to start our sauce next. All right, time to put the shovel back to work. We'll put them on here. And try to go over here. Anyway, let's move them around. Just a little bit of oil on the bottom. We got some shallot and garlic. I'll go right there into our shovel. Saute a little bit. Get the rawness out of that. While that's working, we'll get our other stuff ready. Alright, we're working away. We got some deliciousness going on in our shovel here. Look at that. Oh, looking good. Shallots are getting cooked through. Our garlic's getting transparent. And we don't want to miss anything here, so we're gonna put our shovel like that. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of some good old cognac. Why not? Actually, we're gonna pull this off the heat before we do that. You guys see this? If this doesn't start right off the bat, if it does, then I'm in trouble. But there we go. There we go. Alright, excellent. Making our sauce in there. Looking good, looking delicious. Put that down, get our cream. We need the cream to go in there. Alright, got our cream going. Now our cognac or our brandy sauce or our whatever sauce, it's just got to reduce. Alright, so let's wait around for this to reduce. We are reducing away, as you can see in our shovel. Get our quad sauce. Let's hit that with a little bit of salt and pepper. Use a little bit. What we're doing now is just we're reducing our sauce, and it's getting there. It's getting pretty close. You can see when it settles down there, you still got a little bit more to go, so just let it rip for a little bit. Okay, we're to the point where we're saucy. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's aligned. Good sauce consistency. Let's go plate. Let's go plate that ribeye. All right, let's plate this up. Our shovel steak, looking delicious. As you can see, I did taste the piece. Look at that. Look at that deliciousness right there. Actually, I'm just gonna take another piece off because it's so good. Heck yeah. All right, put the ribeye steak on the shovel. And why not take our shovel? Get away from there, fly. Take our shovel. We'll pour a sauce on there. Tell me that does not look freaking delicious. All right. I know it looks delicious. Let's cut into that sucker. Let's see. Cut into our ribeye. Look at him. Standing tall. Great looking ribeye. Take a bite with sauce. Maybe. There you guys got it. Delicious. Hashtag steak like a boss. I think we did it. Alright, get away from there, fly. We'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.